Last month, Duolingo announced a major shift to become an AI-first company.
Duolingo is replacing contract workers with artificial intelligence. Yeah, it's part of the company's plan to become more AI-focused. That will include not using contractors to, quote, do work that AI can handle.
See, this announcement sparked significant backlash, with people accusing the company of prioritizing automation over human jobs. In response to the controversy, the CEO later clarified,
what we're trying to do is empower our own employees to be able to achieve more and be able to have way more content to teach better, and reach more people, all with the help of AI.
This Duolingo incident perfectly captures the biggest misconception about AI right now. Everyone is asking, will AI replace me? When they should be asking, how can I make AI work for me? And that's exactly what we're going to figure out today. In this video, we'll cover 4 game-changing insights about AI and your career. First, we'll expose the biggest myths about AI job displacement that are keeping you up at night. Then I'll show you the surprising ways AI is actually creating more opportunities than it's destroying. We'll dive into the specific skills that make you irreplaceable in an AI world. And finally, I'll give you a practical roadmap to future-proof your career starting today. Let's start with a reality check. Remember when everyone said that the internet would destroy retail? Well, Amazon didn't kill shopping, it instead transformed it. Millions of new jobs were created in logistics, in digital marketing and e-commerce, those jobs that did not exist at all. And the same pattern is happening with AI right now. Yes, some jobs are changing, but here's what the headlines aren't telling you. According to the World Economic Forum, while AI might displace 85 million jobs by 2025, it's expected to create 97 million new ones. That's a net gain of about 12 million jobs. But let's get specific about these myths. Myth number 1, AI will replace all creative jobs. I've been using AI tools for content creation for months now, and here's what I've learned. AI doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. I can now generate 10 video concepts in the time I used to take just one. But I still need to evaluate them, refine them, and inject my personality and experience in these videos. Myth number 2, only technical jobs are safe. Actually, it's often the opposite. Jobs requiring emotional intelligence, complex problem solving, and human connection are the most secure. Think therapists, teachers, sales professionals, and yes, even YouTubers. This brings us to the most important shift in your thinking. AI isn't your replacement, it's your career accelerator. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Imagine you're a financial analyst and we'll call you Jake. Months ago, you'd have been spending about 70% of your time on data entry and basic calculations. If AI handles that grunt work, Jake can focus on strategic analysis and current relationships. Who knows? You could become a senior analyst because your productivity has skyrocketed. Or let's think of a graphic designer. Graphic designers, when AI art generators exploded, they would have been terrified. But instead of fighting it, imagine they learned to use it for rapid prototyping. Now they can present 20 concept variations to clients instead of 3. The pattern here is clear. The people thriving with AI aren't competing against it. Instead, they are collaborating with it. They are using AI to eliminate the boring, repetitive tasks of their job so they can focus on the high-value work that only human beings can do. But here's the crucial part. This isn't happening automatically. See, the people succeeding are being intentional about how they integrate AI into their workflow. They're not waiting for their companies to figure it out. Instead, they are experimenting, they are learning, and they're also adapting right now. Let's talk about your secret weapon, the skills that make you irreplaceable in an AI world. These fall into 3 categories, and I guarantee you already have more of these than you think. First, you have emotional intelligence. AI can analyze customer data, but it can't read the room during a tense negotiation. It can't comfort a worried client or inspire a demoralized team. These human moments are where real value is created. Second, creative problem solving. AI is incredible at pattern recognition and optimization within defined parameters. It can't think outside the box, it can't challenge assumptions, and it can't come up with truly innovative solutions or unprecedented problems. It only builds on what exists. Ethical judgment and contextual understanding. AI can process data, but it can't navigate the complex ethical implications of business decisions. It doesn't understand cultural nuances, it doesn't understand company values, or the long-term consequences of short-term gains. The key insight here is that these aren't soft skills anymore, they are power skills. In an AI-driven economy, your ability to connect, create, and contextualize becomes your competitive advantage. Alright, Let's get practical. Here's your step-by-step roadmap to not just survive, but thrive in the age of AI. Step 1. Audit your current role. Make a list of everything you do in a typical week. Mark each task as either AI could probably do this or this requires human judgment. Don't panic if the first list is longer. That is your opportunity list. Step 2. Start experimenting with AI tools in your daily work. I don't care what your job is, there is an AI tool that can help you. See, writers can use ChatGPT for research and ideation, marketers can use AI for campaign optimization, even plumbers can use AI for scheduling and inventory management. The goal isn't to replace yourself, it's to make you more efficient and focus on higher value activities. And step 3, we have develop your uniquely human skills. This means investing in communication, leadership, creative thinking, emotional intelligence. Take improv classes, learn negotiation, practice public speaking. All these skills become more valuable and not less as AI handles routine tasks. Step 4, become an AI translator in your organization. Every company needs people who understand both the technology and the business. If you can bridge that gap, you will become indispensable. The people that are getting ahead aren't necessarily the most technical, they are the most adaptable in an AI world. So, let me ask you this. Instead of fearing AI, what if you embrace it as the ultimate productivity partner? What if, like the Duolingo team, you could use AI to become so much more effective that you become irreplaceable? Your homework is simple. Identify one task that you do regularly that AI could help with and spend 15 minutes this week experimenting with a tool that could assist you. It could be writing emails, analyzing data, or even brainstorming ideas. The future belongs to human AI collaborators, not human AI competitors. The question isn't whether AI will change your job, it's whether you'll be leading that change or scrambling to catch up. So if this video shifted your perspective on AI, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what AI tool are you most excited to try. And if you want more content about thriving in our rapidly changing world, make sure you're subscribed because we are just getting started. Remember, the best time to adapt to the future was yesterday, and the second best time is right now. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.